In a world filled with dreams and aspirations, there's one silent culprit holding us back from achieving our goals, our constant companion, the smartphone. Every year, we set out with grand ambitions, ready to conquer new heights. But often, we find ourselves caught in the web of endless scrolling, comparing our journey to others. The notifications that were meant to keep us connected have become shackles, binding us to a cycle of distraction. Those missed opportunities and neglected tasks, they add up, don't they? Our mornings start not with a sunrise, but with a screen as we dive headfirst into the digital world. The moments that could be spent on self-reflection and planning are lost to the abyss of notifications. Multitasking, once seen as a skill, has become a trap. Juggling between goals and the digital realm, we find ourselves stretched thin, unable to give our full attention to the tasks that truly matter. But here's the thing, awareness is the first step towards change. It's time to reclaim control over our time and our dreams. Imagine a world where your goals take center stage, a world where each step you take is deliberate and every moment is an opportunity for growth. So, as we embark on a new year, let's break free from the chains of our phones. Let's make a conscious choice to prioritize our dreams, to be present in our journey, and to turn every setback into a stepping stone towards success. Remember, breaking free from the grip of your phone is a journey worth taking. If you found inspiration in this video and are ready to reclaim your time and goals, give it a thumbs up, hit the like button, and share it with those who need to hear this message.